I choose joy. Hey y'all, it's your girl. I actually am finishing up this project the next day because, as you will be able to tell, my filters were dirty. Yeah. So I needed to do that project also. You know, the oil has been changed. We're good with that. So let's get with these filter changes, okay? You'll see a different shirt, everything. Don't pay that any attention because it's just me the next day finishing up a project. Come on. Gonna spray some simple green on it. Don't know what's going on with this WD-40, but we'll make it do what it do. Let's put them on the bike. Now, it doesn't matter which one goes on which side because they're both the same size. Let my clip down. Put it in. Right there. And now we're gonna hook it back up with the clips, clipping at the bottom. Easy and stable. Now this filter is going to take a little bit of work. You see those screws? We're going to have to line them up. There's one right here, and then there's one all the way at the very bottom down here where you will need this extension tool to get to it. Let's put that filter in. So you take it out, you turn it over. Y'all, please forgive my shoddy camera work because I should have brought my stand out here, but I didn't. Turn it on the back side and up, and there she is. Now let's line up the screws. Y'all, I had a screw, the one that goes right down here, to fall down in here. I had to take this whole thing off to get that screw out. Let's commence. Y'all, I messed up my fro trying to get this stuff back on. It was hard after dropping the screws, all of that, tightening up the bolts, but we got it done. And we're all pieced back together. So let's thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy around here, y'all. Bye. Happy riding.